Hello and welcome to Trains in Viettic. You'll remember I started this last week when I did a quick unboxing and painted quite badly some bits. So in today's episode I'm going to assemble it in fast mode and then do a review of it. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. Okay, my tools for this is glue, which I'm using for Revel 1, side cutters, scalpel, a trusted file and a filing board, which is 2 different roughness. So I'll now go about starting to build it for you. Okay, I've quickly paused the camera just to talk about this bit. You'll see that it's little labels I have stuck on, and I haven't used yellow from whereabouts I actually sprayed it. To be honest, it's actually turned out much better than I thought. And whereabouts I didn't do the best spray job in the world, it looked like there's a bit of dirt and age to it. So I think that have actually worked very well. So about the little introduction, and I'll go back to the speed build. That was a fun build. In places I didn't give the glue long enough to dry, and in places like just there I got the paint with the glue, which meant it went all over the place. But painting the doors was a really good idea. The lights really look nice. I'm not sure about the bits on the top. I think they could actually do with a bit of paint. The bit I didn't really enjoy was the roof. It just didn't quite feel as good as the rest of it. But I really enjoyed this build. So these doors open. I'm thinking of finding a way to motorise them so that when the train approaches, the door open and the door close. And it's just a very nice kit, well designed, well put together, and no spare parts. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. I hope you found this interesting. My next video will be up on Wednesday. I'm not quite sure which week it is, but yeah, it will be up on Wednesday. So I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I didn't bore you too much. Like I said, painting these doors just gave it a bit more detail, and I think in the future I'll actually look at weathering it. So like I was saying, make sure to like, subscribe, comment and tell your friends about it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Richard.